Okay, Kumar. Okay, now, and one more line, the same line I will copy here. I have drawn line here, right? Up 12. I'll copy this line, or else you can take one more line also, so no problem. I copied one line. So this one also I'll copy. So this one I will place where the endpoint will show. Okay. Now here, this one. Now draw the line, or you can copy. So here no problem. 12. Enter. Like this. So here also when we see from front view, means we are here, we are looking from here. So this line is not there. So we can delete this line. So we are already drawn this line and this line here. So if you select this one, see you can see it. Blue color is the same. So here also it is same. So you can remove this line. You can remove this line. Okay. Now this line is this we are drawn till here only. We are drawn till here. So remaining one we have to draw this line up to the this inside line. So how to draw? So already this dotted line is there. Line. So start from here. So move your cursor here. It will be seen when this auto mode is on. So drag here like this. Enough. Okay. If you want, you can draw here at this place. So enough. And here also can show. Here it is line is there. No, we don't have. Why we don't have means this line we don't have. Why? Because we are looking from here. We are looking here, this side. Here there is no edge, nothing is there. This is the smooth surface. I mean straight surface. No edges, nothing is there here. Here also. So we are looking from here. Okay. So only this part we have to draw the dotted line. Only this part this one we have to show in the dotted line. So we will change this. Uh, we'll change how to change. Select this one. Okay. Now go to by layer. This type of lines. This one is okay. Enter. Now this figure is finished. Okay. Now this way I will highlight this one. So I will select all the lines. I select all the lines. So here I have not drawn this one. So I have to draw this one. Make into line weight, change into line weight. Enter. For this one I will draw directly line weight. So by default it is line weight is 0.3. Then I will draw the line here. Yes, now it is finished. Now this is the what is the view? This is the left side or right side view? Yes, anyone?
Left side, ma'am.
Yes, left side view. So observer is at the left side and drawing at the right side. So okay, please do it in your notebooks. The left view. Just wait for 1 minute. Who has drawn it? You better to take this report with Kamasha sir. I think he will sign it here and he will write it there. He tried it. Okay? I cannot write it. You come to me and I will do that. Show your notice. Rupa madam. But on the guide sign, HOD will have to sign. I am also one of the guides, so HOD will sign it. I show that one also, that you have submitted. అది చూపించిన తర్వాత నన్ను
సైన్ అయిన తర్వాత ఇయ్యాలి కదా.
అంతే కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మీ గైడ్ లేడు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ గైడ్ నేను సైన్ చేయడానికి రాదు, హెచ్ఓడి సైన్ చేయాలి. సో హెచ్ఓడి సైన్ మళ్ళీ హెచ్ఓడి సైన్ చేసుకుని తీసుకురండి, నాకు కాపీ. సో నాకు ఇచ్చినట్టు ఆవిడ ప్రూఫ్ అనమాట దానిపైన. ఇది ప్రాజెక్ట్ సబ్మిటెడ్, అది కూడా చూపించండి మా సార్, హెచ్ఓడి సార్. ఓన్లీ వన్ కాపీ యువర్ హ్యావింగ్. Why two copies? How many are there in your batch? Why two? You don't want to submit, but you are having individual copies. But have you got signed? మరి దాని మీద సైన్ ఉండాలి కదా మరి మీ ఇండివిజువల్ కాపీస్ లో కూడా. Okay, get it. One copy is given to who? One copy is to department lab. The other copy?
We give it to Ramesh sir. Contact.
ఎట్లా తీసుకుంటారు మీరే, ఏమవుతుంటారు ఇవన్నారా? ఇవన్నీ ఎందుకండి. ఓకే. Okay. Now, how to draw? Here also we have to means now this we have drawn the left side view. We have drawn the left side view, but we have drawn the right side. Now we have to draw the right side view. Means the observer is here, and how it is looking, you have to draw this one. And here we will change. This is a dotted line, but it's not looking a dotted line. Shall we change another one? We'll change this one. This is good. Gap is more. Okay. Okay. So I will pick this too. Of course, this one also. And I want to change this one. It has changed, but the gap, so much gap is there. So I will change the line type scale. Let me try. Or else long work also, this is not working. We are changing many times, but it's not showing. Okay, let it be this one only, but please remember this one. This one, if you are not getting, you don't highlight this line, sorry. Or else don't make a thick line. Again, I will change the line scale here. LT scale. LT scale. It was 5, right? 8. Okay. I don't want to highlight this one. I don't want to make a thick line. Okay, let it be like that only. So it is good. Now, so next side, right side view. So right side view means we have to draw the left side. Please try to imagine by looking to this figure. So by looking to this figure. So we stand observers here. So how you can draw this one? Same as it is, but this won't be a um, hidden line. Okay. So how to draw? Not line. Arc. Arc. Start, center, end. So start. So this will become the anti-clockwise. So this is not, this command will not use, okay, you cannot use this one, right? If you take this one, start, center, end. So start, if I start from here, this is center and this is, so this will become the clockwise direction. Here in the R command, it will not, means clockwise direction it will not take, so it will show in the anti-clockwise. So we'll change, shall we change this one? Center, start, end. So this also will become the clockwise direction. Then what we'll do? Center, start, end. Okay, we'll do in this one. Start, center, end. Start, center, end. We'll drag. We'll try to drag. Center, start, end. Okay, we'll do one with center. Start means I will not click here, but I will go in this way. If I go in this way, it will come or not? Yes, we are done this one. Okay. Now you got what I did in arc. Uh, Start, center, end. Start. So start, center. Now this one. Center, start, end. So this is center. Start means we should not start here because we cannot draw this curve in anti-clockwise. Okay. So we had to start from here, but we don't know the exact length. So what I did is just a drag here. By showing this point here, just I drag here. See? So otherwise you can, for 24.7, you can do like this, 24.7. You can take 24.7, just type 24.7, enter, that's it. Okay, so somewhat here left. So again, center, start, end, center, 36.7, at 36.7, 36.7, exactly will start, then end. Okay, now again, center, start, end, center, start. So you know, so measure this one, 52.7, then keep your cursor here, just type 52.7, enter. So you start from here. See, you got it. Again, R, center, start, end, center, start. We don't start here, just the like 64.7. Then you keep your cursor here, 64.7, then type 64.7, 64.7, enter. Okay, then like that. Enter. So now, so we unless we do many drawings, we'll not get the idea. No one will teach like this. Even I don't know. Just I tried now. How can we draw like it? I tried now, so I got it. So you also please try to do. Now here everything is same as this way, but only thing is this one is a dotted line, not dotted line here. So why? Because when you are looking from here, this is the right side view, but you are drawing the left side. So right side view, we are drawing the left side. Okay. Now just try to imagine everything is visible here. See this one. This side is visible. This side is visible. This one is visible. This one is visible. Everything is seen. So just I will go directly by taking this one, mm, 0.3, and here also I want to change by layer. Now first point, then just drag here to get the same height like this. Then here also same height, means width, same width like this. Then drop it. How much you can drop it? Same here like this, and width is this much width and this much height, and this width is this much width, and totally here, and close here, enter, and one more line. Draw again line command, or again enter. How much depth? So this depth, and this width, and here. That's over. See how we are drawn. Sorry, not this line. We have to draw this line. So from here we have to draw. Okay, I will draw it here one more. Copy. So this one also. Okay, copy means here I can take same. Let me try. Copy, copy, enter. So here I don't take the place. So here auto on. Then I can copy here. Without moving here and there. Yes. Like this. Now my drawing is finished. So this one I will change into no need of change of this line. So this is the figure. So here I will give a text here. Point 2 is there. 4 I will change. 4. Enter. Save. What is this view? The left side view or right side view? Left, we are drawn the left side. So right side view. So here right side view. Okay, this is one. This one is left side view. Okay. And this one is top view. And what is this one? Front view. Okay. Enter. Anything else? Now, anything else? Any doubt till here? Yes, please. Any doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
and show all the dimensions. Please practice this one. This is very easy than other drawings.
మ్యామ్ ఫ్రంట్ వ్యూ కి డాటెడ్ లైన్ రాదుగా మ్యామ్.
Which one front view? This one, huh?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
Front view, only this one is dotted line because this edge. This is the front view, I will draw the line. They will ask, they will show which one is the front
Okay, ma'am.
view. So this one is the front view. Front view. They will show the which one is the front view, either this or this. As per that, you have to draw, not like that. Okay, so this is the front view. As per this, see this one. This is the front view. When you stand here, how it looks. But we are drawing this side. Okay, and this is the right side view. So Baghdad is here. Then we are showing the left. This is okay. Yes, right side view, you have to draw left side view, you have to draw the view here. Right side view, you have to draw the here. Okay. Now here do I need to show the this angle? Isometrically kada, isometrically means both sides should be. Let's show all this. I'll keep it in a linear only. What else have to show? No need of this one, okay, because the projections are there here. As for this, the projection, no, anywhere it is not shown, but I explain how to draw this one, okay. And here also no need of showing this one, but you can show this. Align can show any angle, but linear cannot show other angles. Only linear lines only show. Okay, like this. So I will better to show this one also. Always keep your left hand on the mouse. See 12, it is there 12, this width is this width. This 12 here. This is 15. because this is 15. Okay, like this. So this is the full drawing, and this is 40. Here also you can show the 40, both the sides. Okay, like this you can do it. Now, is it clear, all of you? So now, what is the time? 1:10. 1:10. So like this, we'll do one drawing. Otherwise, I will send you one drawing. Conversion to isometric view to orthographic. Now we are done isometric view to orthographic. Now there will be the orthographic to isometric. So please try to do whatever given in the other figures. Just what I posted. Please try to do that one also. Before that, I will show the this whole hollow type in the cylinder way. How to draw the in the cylinder way? Uh, I will record this one. I will send you this link. You can see that link. Is it clear, all of you? Which the slide is which I posted. Sixth slide. Sixth slide is yes, I think this is the sixth slide as per this figure. This figure, I will explain this figure. I will record this figure how to draw in isometric view. I have not shown the isometric view these figures, right? When we are doing the isometric, so I will draw the isometric view. I explain and I will record this one. I will send you the link, okay? And I will show how to draw the all views if possible. Is it clear now? So with this we completed whole portion what we thought to teach. If we have any other doubts, you can clarify in the next class. Next class means next Wednesday. And please, all of you, complete your notes, everything. Compulsory, we want your manual drawings. Compulsory, we want your manual drawings. More weightage on the manual drawings. Is it clear, all of you? Now, please give your attendance.
To where, ma'am?
Huh? Yes?
Till where
Please,
we should show the manual drawing?
till here, till this orthographic projections, till orthographic projection.
మ్యామ్ ఐసోమెట్రిక్ లో మరి ఏం చేయాలో చెప్పలే కదా
ఏంటమ్మా చెప్పు మళ్ళీ
ఐసోమెట్రిక్ అందులో ఏం చేయాలో చెప్పలేరు కదా మ్యామ్
what I taught in the class, that one you do it.
ఓకే
We taught planes we are done. Okay, planes and solids, two solids, two or three solids, single solids, and combined one problem we are done. Combined three combined solids. So please do it in your drawings in your A4 size. Okay, then whatever you are doing practice in the AutoCAD, that one you need to take a printout and you have to submit. But manuals, all manuals should be compulsory. It's not that I done in AutoCAD, I will give a AutoCAD printout, not like that. Yesterday one student given the this what is that parabola ellipse from AutoCAD. No, I don't want those drawings from AutoCAD. You have to draw it in manual. Manually you have to draw it and you have to submit. That is very important. You don't know how to draw the Drawings, graphics or geometry is very important. Okay. Okay. Now, please all of you give your attendance. Roll number 61. Do you have any doubts again? Yes, please. Do you have any doubts?
Ma'am, isometric projections we have to do in A4 sheet, ma'am.
Yes, A4 sheet you have to do. You can draw it. See, I have drawn in A4 sheet only. These are all, of course, these are all my rough drawings, not with scale. But you have to draw this only 44 is in 44 means 4.4 centimeters. This is 100. You can draw it. You draw it in a horizontal. Keep your sheet in a horizontal and draw it. If it is not sufficient, just try to measure roughly. Keep your paper horizontal. Measure the 100. Leave 1 centimeter gap here, and do it another one. So 100 plus 44. Let us say 50. So 150, 150 here, 150 here, 200. It's sufficient, I think. You can draw it. Yes.
మ్యామ్ ఆర్థోగ్రాఫిక్ ఈరోజు ఒక్కటి చెప్పింది చేయాలి కదా మ్యామ్.
ఏంటమ్మా ఆర్థోగ్రాఫిక్?
ఈరోజు చెప్పింది ఒక్క క్వశ్చన్ అది చేస్తే చాలు కదా
అది
మ్యామ్.
చెయ్యాలి, అది చెయ్యాలి. అండ్ ప్లీజ్ ఓపెన్ యువర్ మాన్యువల్ 76, పేజ్ 76, 77, 78. ఒక్క నిమిషం, జస్ట్ వెయిట్. 76, 77 and 80. First problem, page number 80. Please note it down. Page number 76, page number 77, page number 78, and page number 80, sixth one. Page number 80, sixth problem. Because I am going to teach, I will send you this link. Page number 80, sixth one. Please make it a tick or please note it down. How many problems? 4, right? Okay. I will give the question number. Question number 1 means drawing number 1, drawing 2, drawing 3, drawing 6. So these you have to show, including you have to draw the isometric view also. You have to draw the isometric view. And drawing 6, I will show you, I will send a link how to draw. In that way you have to draw. It's okay now? Yes.
Ma'am, AutoCAD printouts are also mandatory as manual
Yes,
drawings.
yes. Why? Because in the exam, only up to sheet number 6, we will be asking to draw manually. Remaining all you have to draw in AutoCAD. That's a condition in the exam, as well internal as well as external exam.
మ్యామ్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఆర్థోగ్రాఫిక్ ప్రొసెషన్ వరకు మేము చేయాలా మ్యామ్ ఆటోకాట్లో?
రెండిట్లో చేయాలమ్మా. You have to do in AutoCAD as well as you have to do in the manual drawings also.
ల్యాప్టాప్స్ లేని వాళ్ళకి
Laptop, no, now you forget about the laptop. You have to practice in the college. I'm not asking you to do in the laptops. I told in before in the when online classes that time. So we were not sure when you are going to come. Then after once we got the timetable for offline classes, then you have to do in the AutoCAD.
మ్యామ్ మేము కొన్ని ఇంట్లో చేసి మెయిల్కి పంపించేసుకొని మళ్ళీ అక్కడ
చేసుకోండి.
చేసుకోవచ్చు.
Yes, like that you can continue. Those who are already done, no need to do in the college. You can do other problems, but and be sure that there should be your name at each and every page. If your name is not there, then we won't believe that these drawings are yours.
Okay.
Remember this point. So yesterday or the day before, one boy from your class, he has done the what is that? Some parabola and hyperbola, but I told him to not to do in AutoCAD. I'm sure that he has not done in AutoCAD. Someone has done that one. Please meet me who has done that one. Tomorrow we are having offline class. You have to come to me. I don't know who is that boy. Okay, so those drawings you have to do in drawing sheet, not in AutoCAD. By doing the drawing sheet, you will be knowing how to draw. Okay. Yes. Now give your numbers.
Ma'am,
Attendance.
internal exams when, ma'am? Internal exam.
We are planning to take this last week of this month. Just we will inform you within 2-3 days.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, before that, before your internal exam, all drawings you have to hand over to me so that we have to give the marks and we have to upload in the OE portal. If you give after
Online only,
that,
ma'am.
internal, I don't know, they are lab kadama, not online. Lab exams are offline only. Okay, I will find out that one also. I will make you clear about that one within 1 or 2 days. Okay. Now,
I'm
roll
also
number
sure how to
61.
take printout tomorrow, ma'am.
Yes, what?
How to take the printout in A4 sheet, ma'am? Because all the drawings we are drawing in the same
Yes,
sheet in
yes.
AutoCAD,
Uh,
ma'am.
Tomorrow, Anand sir will explain you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Roll number 63.